I like the carpet. Carpet looks nice. Wooden digital keys. That's crazy.
Ooh, wow.
Wow, is this?
Oh wait, that's me and Judy's in the sofa bed.
Well, you can just sleep on the couch.
Porch.
Man, you have a bathroom.
Porch.
You have a bathroom. It's like an actual apartment. I was borrowing everything.
We have our own porch.
Yo, what's up, players? Welcome back to Blackbirdie Golf. I'm Kev1, and I'm at the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Kapalua, Maui. That's where I'm at, folks. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the room. So first and foremost, we got my wife and I, we have a little private balcony overlooking the lush, beautiful pool. We got the king size bed, residential suite. Excuse the mess, we're just unpacking. We both have our own little nightstands. All right, we got a flat screen TV, plenty of storage, huge dresser right here, 2 end tables, which are great. When we pack, guys, we normally bring a lot of plastic bags because a lot of our stuff gets wet because we definitely like going into the water. Okay, got the safe there. We got nice bathroom, really good sprinkler heads, private toilet, dual vanity, and a nice, really nice tub. Pretty big size. Okay, let me go to the TV / living area. These are where my son's gonna sleep. Really nice. They have their own balcony as well. They have their own TV. We have this island table right here, really nice. I don't know what this is. It's probably granite. Marble. We have a pretty good sized fridge. Of course, I got my iced tea on deck. So yeah, guys, you have an espresso coffee, which, because of my wife, that's actually my favorite now. So we have an espresso machine and all that good stuff. Convection oven in here, which is pretty nice. And before we got here, guys, after we landed, we stopped at Costco. We got some stuff. And we stopped at Walmart and got some stuff. So we have an induction Wolf oven. Wow. Babe, you know they got a Wolf oven in here? Damn. A Wolf oven. A stove.
No way.
Yeah. It's like induction cooktop. And obviously sink, cabinets. Yeah, nice. So really good space. Oh, they have a blender in here. Damn, a tea kettle. Jeez. Some more plates. Soft close cabinetry. Okay. Okay, with Ritz-Carlton. Damn. Oh, and we have glassware and some wine glasses, and I don't know what those are. My wife would know that. I'm not very cultured in the spirits because I don't drink. Oh, and we have a dishwasher. What the? Holy cow. This is Bosch. Really nice. Really, really nice. All right, guys. So that's a rundown of our suite. We're going to head to the pool real quick. We just got here maybe an hour and a half ago. So stay tuned, guys. More to come. Peace.